Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody! You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, plus we've got a few glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other Dollar General videos for you all already this week, so make sure that you go and check them out. We have a new penny list, and we also have a huge clearance event coming up, so make sure that you go and check out both of those videos. They will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. Next up, we did receive a new 3 off 2 digital coupon on the Pepsi and Frito-Lay products. We also have a $2.50 off one for the Secret Aluminum Free Deodorants. Those start out at $7, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4.50. We also received a new 3 off one for the Tide Pods. Those are priced at $15.95. After the coupon you're going to pay $12.95. Then we also received a 3 off 2 for the Pantene products. Those start out at $6 each, so after the coupon you're going to pay $8 for 2. But be aware, we do have a lower value 1 off 1 digital coupon. We did receive this 1 off 1 for the Head & Shoulders, but I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now because we usually get a 3 off 2 for the Head & Shoulders. Next up, we have a 1 off 2 for the Gain dish liquids. These are priced at $2.70, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.40 for 2. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Oral-B toothbrushes. So these start out at $3.35 if you want to pick up the 2-pack of the Oral-B Indicator toothbrushes. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. However, this coupon is glitching. It is working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes. Those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. So there's our first glitch for this week. We did receive a new 1 off 1 for the Scott bath tissue. So if you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We also received a new 150 off 1 for the Finish dishwasher products. So if you want to pick up the dishwasher quantum tablets, I believe it was a 12 or a 14 count, those are priced at $4.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Alright, next up we have a 125 off 1 for the All Snuggle and Purex products. And a lot of these are priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $2.50. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Bic razors. These start out at $5.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Hopefully, everybody got in on the free razors last week with that free after offer rebate on Ibotta. Next up, we have not seen this coupon in quite a while, but we have the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. It is back. We've been receiving that 1 off 1 digital coupon forever, so I'm glad that we finally have a 2 off 1. This does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $4.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.25. We have a 3 off 2 for the Dial body washes. So if you want to pick up these smaller, I believe it's a 12-ounce bottle. Those were included in the clearance event, so if you can find them, those are priced at $2.55. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.10 for 2, which is a great deal. Now, this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on the travel size Dial body wash. Those are priced at $2.25 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. We did receive a new 2 off 1 for the Dove body wash products, and we do have several DG store coupons that you can stack with this manufacturer coupon. But just as a quick little deal, we do have the smaller Dove body washes. They're priced at $5. This coupon does work with those, and you can use the 1 off 1 DG store coupon. So after both of those coupons are applied, that's going to leave you paying just $2, which is fantastic. We also have a 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products, so this is a great deal as well. So if you want to pick up the 2 count eyeliner pencils, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. Moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the Dove Body Love products. So if you want to pick up the Dove Body Cleansers, those were also included in the last clearance event, but I'm still seeing a lot of those out there. They're priced at $6.15. With this 2 off 1, plus we have a 1 off 1 DG store coupon, that's going to leave you paying $3.15. Now this coupon also works on the Dove Body Love lotions. Those are priced at $6.50, but unfortunately none of those DG store coupons are stacking and working with the lotions. Alright, now we're going to skip over a few of these here. We do have some new General Mills coupons. Those products are on sale 2 for $6, so after the coupons you're going to pay $5 for 2. We have Charmin, Lysol. We have a 4 off 1 for the CoverGirl mascaras. This is also a great deal. So these start out at $5.50. After the coupon you're going to pay $1.50. We have a 2 off 3 for the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. Those are on sale 3 for $14 this week. So after the coupon you're going to pay $12 for 3. Moving on down, we have the Huggies wipes, 50 cents off 1. These are on sale for $2.50 this week. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We have a 1 off 1 for the Oral-B floss picks. These are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Then we also have the Downy products. These are on sale this week for $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Alright, moving on down, we've got a 1 off 1 for the Bounce Pet Dryer Sheets. Those are priced at $5.75, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4.75. We also received a 3 off 1 for the Colgate Total Toothpaste. These are pretty pricey at $8, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5. Then we also received a $5.90 off 2 digital coupon on the Downy scent beads. Now there's different ones that y'all can choose from. One of the lower priced ones was priced at $10.95. So after the coupon you're going to pay $15.40 for 2. But keep in mind we still have that P&G spin deal going on. For when you spend $15, you're going to get back a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. Next up, we have a 1 off 2 for the Snickers. These are priced at $1.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. We have a 5 off 1 for the Zyzol products. If you want to pick up the children's liquid, those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Then we also have the 3 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. These start out at $6.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Moving on down, we have a new 1 off 1 for the Poise, 2 off 1 for the pull-ups. Those are priced at $12, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $10. Some more hair color coupons, 1 off 1 for the Advil. Those are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we have this 1 off 2 digital coupon on the Folgers, Cafe Bustelo, and Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Now, I accidentally clipped this one to my account. I meant to leave it alone because we do have a higher value 2 off 2 digital coupon, so just be aware of that. And we do have a pretty good sale on these this week. So on the K-Cups, those are on sale for $6.50. So if you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $13. After that 2 off 2 digital coupon, that's going to be paying $11 for 2. And those are usually like $9 each. So I think that's a fantastic deal. Now moving on, we've got a 2 off 1 for the Tylenol. Those start out at $5.15. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.15. We have a 1 off 3 for the Absorbin patches. Those are priced at $1 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 3. We also have a 1 off 2 for the Dial hand soaps. So these are priced at $1.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 2. We have a 4 off 1 for the Loves. Those are priced at $17.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $13.50. Then we have a 3 off 1 for the Imodium products. So if you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $7.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. But this coupon is glitching. It is working on the 0.4 ounce liquid Imodiums. Those are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. It's 1 off 1 for the Polydent. These are priced at $5.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.85. But this coupon is glitching. It is working on the 28 count Polydent. These are priced at $3.30. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.30. And that's the first time I believe we've ever had a glitch on the Polydent products. So kind of weird, but we'll take it. Alright, moving on down, we have Playtex. We've talked about all of these secret coupons last week. We have a new Dollar Shave Club coupon, all kinds of new Sally Hansen's. Alright, next up, we've got a 2 off 1 for the Systex products. Those are priced at $4.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have some more laundry coupons, Tide Simply, Gain. Go ahead and clip all of those. There's that 3 off 1 for the Thermacare. I believe those are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We're going to go ahead and clip all these nail polish coupons. because with that clearance event, those will probably come in handy. Alright, another 3 off 1 for the Tide and the Gain Flings. And then we have all of these DG store coupons. So we've got a 2 off 10 on the Mars Candy, 2 off 9 on the Reese's. We have the True Living paper towels, a 2 off 10. Looks like on the Mars Candy. Alright, next up we've got a 1 off 1 for the Rexall mouthwash. These are priced at $3.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.50. Then we also received a 3 off 3 for the Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $13, so after the coupon you're going to pay $10 for 3. We also have a 50-cent off 1 for the True Living bleach. Then we have a 1 off 1 for the Suave body wash products. Now this coupon is working on a lot of Suave body washes, a lot of the different ones. Unfortunately, a lot of them were included in the last clearance event, so these might be a little bit harder to find, but if you can find them, they start out at $1.65. So after this coupon is applied, that's going to leave you paying just 65 cents. So another really great deal. Next up, we have a buy one get one free digital coupon on the floral accessories. So we have to go into the store and scan some items to see what we can come up with for that coupon. Next up, we've got a $2 off when you spend $10 on the Funables mixed berry gummies. These are on sale 2 for $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8 for 4 boxes. Then we have a 2 off 3 for the Coca-Cola and Sprite 6 packs. Those are on sale 3 for $11 this week. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $9 for 3. And then we're just going to go ahead and clip all of these other DG store coupons as well. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but we do have a lot going on this week at Dollar General, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned. And before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.